everybody, welcome back to my channel. And yes, I'm going to start something new for you guys. You guys need to let me know your input on this, but a lot of you guys knew that I'm going to be staying home more. I want to make more meals, and husband's like, I'm sick of you making all these like crock pot meals, so I'm trying to start figuring out other meals. So what I'm going to do today is share with you guys, sorry, Miss Charlotte wants my attention, but what I'm going to do with you guys today is share with you guys my Aldi's haul. I'm just going to show you guys what I got, and I think how much I paid for it and how much everything came out to be. And then over the next few weeks, you guys will start seeing me post food videos, just family food videos. I'm just trying to eat more at home, and we'll see what's better. I'm trying to eat a little bit healthier. It may not be healthy food, but I'm eating a little bit healthier than fast food. So I'm going to share with you guys what I got at Aldi's, so let's go. Okay, you guys, so I'm trying to film this for the third time, but between my 3 kids, including my cat, nobody stops crying. So what I ended up getting is I got some shells and cheese. This was $1.29. I ended up getting these egg noodles. These were $1.69. I got some chicken breasts, as you guys can see right there, for $7.69. They're pretty big. I think I can get 2 to 3 to 4 meals out of that, so I'm hoping for that. I also got these lattice cut chips, so I'm pretty excited to try it. I'm not a sea salt person, but I like the garlic, so see how that is. We got Ben a little car while we were shopping there. I ended up getting 3 cans of the cream of chicken. Those were 49 cents a piece. I got some broccoli. Those were $2.74 for that whole thing of broccoli. There's about 3 heads in there. I ended up getting some hard salami just because I'm craving some hard salami. I got that for $2.59. I ended up getting some sour cream. Usually we use like this little squirt thing, but I needed some regular sour cream, so that was $1.29. I got some riced cauliflower, which I've never tried before, and that was $1.89. I got some fish sticks. Ben loves their fish sticks, so that was $2.99. I got some real bacon bits to add some soup that I've been making, and that was actually $1.29, so I think that's a pretty good price. I ended up getting some taco mix for 29 cents. I needed some Alfredo sauce for a meal that I'm going to make, and that was $1.69. I ended up getting some olive oil spray for $1.49. We were just kind of low on spray. I'm like, olive oil is pretty decent. Got some ground beef for $4.29. I ended up getting some taco style meat, and that was $2.79. A little high, but it'll work. I also have a bag of mozzarella cheese behind here too, and that was $3.29. So a little bit high. I got onion powder because I needed something for some meal that I'm going to make, and that was just 95 cents. Mixed vegetables, 65 cents for me. I ended up getting some Parmesan cheese, the grated ones, just to sprinkle some stuff on there, so that was $2.59. I got a whole bag of onions for 99 cents, which I thought that was a pretty good deal. And then I ended up getting 2 things of crescent rolls. So for all this stuff, it came out to be $53.69. I got about 3 to 4 meals in this little spot, so you guys will start seeing me post meals. I'm just trying to shop at Aldi. I've never really shopped. I mean, I've shopped there before, but I've never really done some like really good grocery shopping. So I want to do some more meals and just start saving some money and see what we can do. It might not be brand name, but I got to get it in my head that I don't really need brand name stuff. So this is my haul. If you guys enjoy something like this, please let me know. Please stay tuned for all the videos that I will be posting of the meals, but I'm pretty excited because I'm starting something new that I've never done before. And that is cook some real good meals, and I'm hoping my husband approves of it too. So thank you guys for watching, and give this video a thumbs up so I know you enjoy it, and I'll see you guys all later. Bye-bye.